Ukertong ke National People's Party NPP na Nongkram constituency uba Dasakhiat Lamare hakalai tarik rempang ula thep keteng hakmat returning officer ke East Khasi Hills District banya kunya ke election ahaja apulai ke banlong haka aponyo tarik urempang uba Lamare hakajing sanan lang kinong keshan jongu da kajing Sngewskhem ula pinpau kajing Sngewskhem Punjab na Nongkram Uba Lamare unya kun persya i ukertong ke Voice of the People Party VPP uba Aden Basayomot ba ukertong ke United Democratic Party UDP uba Lambor Malnyang. Haba keli balai ba ula ino ya kamau hati penyakun na Nongkram uba Lamare ulaong pakadai namar kejingkwa akipat ba na Nongkram ba ula pensyairu pakadai namar ba ula dan kejingnya snguthu jingmut ba kipat ba kamau hati ba usala bandrai penyakun na Nongkram.
I'm actually very confident, to be honest. And the nomination went well. Everything is accepted, no faults. And I really hope that everything goes well. We have heard many statements from many organizations and from many individuals as well, claiming that Dasakhiat has been rejected from Mohati constituency. That is totally wrong. That is totally wrong. I have not been rejected from Mohati constituency. People there are really praying for me as well. People there are really hoping that I will win in Nongkram constituency. But the reason is a very personal reason, which is for the betterment. Let's be clear, it's for the betterment of the state.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela